What happens when you click Start Recovery in Cloud IBR? Cloud IBR automatically provisions a bare metal ESXi host, a Veeam server, a full networking stack, and your backup repository. Wasabi, Backblaze, Cloudian, Veeam Vault, or Veeam Cloud Connect. Every server is restored. VPN users are created. Connectivity is built in, site-to-site tunnels and remote access included. It's a complete recovery environment for your Veeam backups. No scripts, no manual steps, no pre-built DR site needed. Cloud IBR generates a compliance-ready report after each test. Run monthly by default, it proves your backups are actually recoverable. Now you can recover in over 20 global regions with full vCenter and NSX-T support. Cloud IBR is recovery in one click. Ready to see it live? Book a walkthrough today.